Hello everyone, I'm Ziyu Liu. I'd like to introduce you a business project of Greenhouse Coffee Shop. I summarized three major problems, which are Billings lacks coffee shops where you can find comfortable settings with environmental friendly decorations. The second is coffee shops in Billings lack diversities in drinks and food. The third one is coffee shop in Billings lack places for people to work and study. Based on those problems, I provide some solutions also are our added value, which are comfortable couch, study rooms, computers and printers, and environmental friendly shops, which means there will be many green plants. And the last one is bubble tea, which is our special. Based on the data from International Coffee Organization, the US coffee consumption is in world top 10. Also, 50% of the population, equivalent to 150 million Americans, drink lots of coffees. And Americans consume 400 million cups of coffee per day. So which means there's a big opportunity for this business. Our target market will be businessmen, college students, and coffee lovers. We provide delicious snacks, drinks, and we provide bubble tea too, which is very popular in Asia and it is very good. I think it is pretty new in the Billings, so I think it would be a great idea to bring it in. Except study rooms, computers and printers, we also provide massage chair for people to take a rest. There are some findings from interview. The first solution was all the settings will be soft couch with pillows. Also, we are going to set recline chair for customers who would like to take a nap. We provide eye patches and earplugs for them too. We have electric massage chair in specific area. Tables will be woody and wide enough for people who need a large space to put their piles of paperwork on. In the coffee shop, we will set many green plants. It is better for people's vision health and makes people feel like they sit in the nature. Second solution is we will create brand new flavors. Besides coffee, we offer bubble tea, which is very popular in Asia. The third solution is customer can DIY their own flavors. Snacks will be various. We will try to offer all kinds of snacks, which from all over the world. For the first solution, 2 people ranked this solution to number 1, and 2 people ranked this to number 2. 2 people ranked this to number 3. The average cost for each customer would be $8 to $10, because in the average cost, $3 to $5 for a cup of coffee, $5 for the depreciation and the maintenance of the outlet. Our main competitors are City Brew and Starbucks and Mazevo Coffee in Billings. There are around 19 coffee shops in the Billings. I only select 3 most competitive brands, and in total they have 10 shops in the town. There are some assumptions. Our potential markets, which is an estimated number of customers at the end of the 5th year. This number is very close to the Billings population. Based on the population who drinks coffee and the trend of the population in Billings is increasing. And other alternatives, that is an estimated number of customers at the end of the 5th year of the alternatives. The frequency is the how often the customer will buy the products annually. As you can see, the graph of cash flow is in increasing trend, which is very good. And I will talk about these numbers in next slide. The NPV, which is net present value. The If the NPV is positive, which means this project is profitable. The IRR, it is the internal rate of return. The higher this value, the more attractive is this project, which means can get more investment. I put the details in the cash flow if you go check it out. I summarized two critical variables, which are competitors and frequency. If the competitors is less or equal to 15, the NPV is positive. And second, if the frequency is greater and equal to 16, the NPV is still positive. Our competitor is 10, so it's within the constraint. Our frequency is 52, which is way more than 16, so we don't need to worry about this. The conclusion part, the NPV is still positive even in the worst case, which means I still can make money if the competitors is equal to 15 and the frequency is exactly equal to 16. The second is this could be a big opportunity because this is pretty new. I bring pretty new ideas into the market. And the last one is the high feasibility, which shows in the feasibility analysis. Thank you very much.